Are you prepared? Do you have the strength? Everybody wants to win, but they don't understand what it means to sacrifice to win it all. Everybody wants to be a champion, but are you prepared to work hard enough to become the champion that you believe you can be?
I might be wounded, but I will not be defeated. In spite of everything that I've been up against, I will rise.
It's been a long time coming, but I'm back. I'm back. I'm stronger. I am willing, and I'm ready to fight.